Wait, turn around. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. He's like in there. I don't know where his head is. He's like in there.
No. Wally, is she farting?
Y'all, Miss Nora just finished her shed, and I honestly think that she got it off without.
Do you want to come out? No, you get your tail curled. I want to finish your sweater.
Gummy? Hey. No. Go.
He had other plans. He really liked this pumpkin. He did not want to leave the pumpkin.
That's your food, Victoria. You're not supposed to sleep with your food.